What's up, SciTech? Today we're going to be talking about how to make an objective summary of a text. An objective summary is a list of the most important things in a text in chronological order. Wait a minute, what's chronological order, you might ask? Great question. Chronological order is the order in which the things happen. So, how do I make an objective summary? The first thing we do is we're going to look at the central idea of the text. Then we're going to eliminate the details in a list that don't fit in with that central idea. And then the third thing we're going to do is we're going to put the rest in order. Simple. All right. Today we're looking at Pandora's Box, which is a story we looked at the beginning of the year. If you remember from Pandora's Box, the story is about how Zeus, the god, made a bride named Pandora in a box for this guy Epimetheus. And he sends them down to Earth. And Pandora is really curious. So even though Zeus tells her not to, she opens the box and releases all of the evils into the world, along with the little thing that leaves last, which is hope. So, what's the central idea of Pandora's box? Very good. Pandora's curiosity leads her to open a box that releases all the evils of the world, along with hope. So that's what we're going to use to figure out which details are important to our objective summary. So let's look at this list of details. Pandora opens the box and releases evils and hope, all right? The god Zeus sends Epimetheus a wife named Pandora along with a box. Epimetheus is dazzled with his bride. Zeus tells Pandora she can never open the box. Pandora becomes curious of what the box holds. Pandora looks around to make sure no one is watching. So now we have to eliminate the details in this list that don't fit. These are the small details, the details that don't have to do with the central idea. So let's take another look. Very good. Should have chosen that Epimetheus is dazzled with his bride is not an important detail. Because that's just a small detail. It shows how Epimetheus liked his bride, but it doesn't really move the story toward that central idea. Same with the last one. Pandora looks around to make sure no one is watching. The real important thing is that she opens the box, not what she does leading up to that. All right, now we've got our 4 important details. So what's our next step? That's right, we have to put the rest of them in order. So let's take a look again. We have that Pandora opens the box and releases evils and hope first. Hold on a sec. That's what happens at the end of the story. Pandora releases the evils and hope as the very last thing. So that's going to have to go at the end. Okay, let's read through this and see if that works. The god Zeus sends Epimetheus a wife named Pandora along with a box. Yep, that's really important. Zeus tells Pandora she can never open the box. Pandora becomes curious of what the box holds. And then Pandora opens the box and releases evils and hope. So there you have it, our objective summary of Pandora's box. Let's have a great class.